This is just a quick tutorial showing how to use SignPresenter when it's running offline. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is just choose which screen you want to use offline. When you do this, you want to make sure that all the items for that screen are cached. So right up here, I've got 259 out of 259. You want to wait and be online when that is happening. When it comes to running the schedule, the Fire Stick, when you unplug it, does not keep its time very well. And so if you want to run a schedule, you probably want to have that set up as just a 24/7 running, whichever environment you're in. Then you can add your classrooms right here and put whatever side you want, and it'll run just like it would online but offline. So it's always a good idea. Check, make sure this is the right content. Great. You can see we're online right now. Everything's working just fine. So what we're going to do now is take it offline. So when I go into settings, go to network, turn Wi-Fi off. Okay, so now I've got the Wi-Fi off. This could be an example if you've gone to a place that does not have any Wi-Fi. When you boot up the Fire Stick, it will look like this. So you have to get to the applications manually. Settings, applications, manage installed apps, go all the way down, SignPresenter, and just simply launch the application. Now when we launch, it's going to pick up right where it left off when you unplugged it. I can still go back and choose a different playlist that I want, and it will load those messages and we can play right through them just like you would if you were online, but now we are offline. Some important things to remember. Once you do get it into a offline mode, then you're not going to want to have it cache into different screens. So that basically means you want to stay on this same screen. You most likely don't want to go to like a different playlist. So if I went back here, I mean, I'm okay to go around and look in these different playlists, but none of them were cached. So when I go to it, I'm going to get that. I want to stay in the screen that I've already cached. That way, everything that's cached will work. And that's how you run SignPresenter offline.